Hello, my name is Professor Wordy. I am going to teach you some new words. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today's words are so exciting that you might just fall out of your chair.
Oh no, don't make me fall, Professor. Just tell me the words.
Okay, first word. Fetid, spelled F-E-T-I-D. Fetid. It means having a heavy, offensive smell. In other words, it's stinky.
Like my brother's gym socks?
Exactly. His socks are fetid. P.U. Someone open a window. Word 2. Massive. Spelled M-A-S-S-I-V-E. Massive. It means very large, heavy, and solid.
Like an elephant sitting on a watermelon?
Yes, that would be one massive mess. Word number 3. Dilapidated. Spelled D-I-L-A-P-I-D-A-T-E. It means falling into ruin, partly broken down.
Like that old treehouse with a hole in the floor?
Perfect! That treehouse is dilapidated. If you sneeze on it, achoo! It might fall apart. It's dilapidated. Word 4. Intrepid. I-N-T-R-E-P-I-D. It means fearless, super brave.
Like a kid who eats broccoli with maggots on it without even making a face?
Yes, that's the bravest kid of all. An intrepid broccoli eater. So, today we have learned that fetid means stinky. Massive means huge. Dilapidated means broken down. And intrepid means fearless. And now you're intrepid enough to use these massive words even if your brother's socks are still fetid and your treehouse is dilapidated. Bye-bye.